Top 7 recent trends in the recruitment you need to know in 2023. Recruitment, a challenging task in recent years, with a fast-growing need for a skilled workforce. We are looking at a rapid technological development globally. This growth is shaping the talent acquisition sector into a highly active one. Over the years, hiring trends have evolved greatly with advanced recruitment tools, and it is likely to keep evolving year after year. For any business, small or large, adapting the recent trends in recruitment is the simplest way to sustain and succeed in this competitive world. So in this episode, we will talk about the top 7 recent trends in recruitment you ought to know about 2023. For more episodes, please subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. The recruitment process works in two ways. An organization needs an apt resource to fill their job position. A job seeker is looking for the right company that fulfills his or her expectations. So the challenge lies in screening the best resources using recruitment tools and technologies. Staffing companies are rapidly adopting innovative measures to effectively hire the most suitable candidates. If you are a job seeker or an employer, you must go for a savvy talent acquisition company that keeps up with avant-garde hiring trends. In a substantially massive labor pool, recruiting IT talent that best fit the job role needs strategic efforts. So are you wondering about the top hiring trends for 2023? What are the recent trends in recruitment that successful talent acquisition companies adopt? How can you benefit from it as a recruiter or as a job seeker? So let's learn more about this. Remote working. One of the trending strategies that organizations follow today is the work from home concept. It's safe, cost-effective, and productive for the employees and employers. Since the global pandemic of COVID-19 inevitably kick-started the remote working trend, a large percentage of employees prefer this option. Simultaneously, recruiters also started to promote this work setup to gain fast and quality recruitment, with advanced recruitment tools to remote screening and onboarding process have become a trend in recruiting IT talent. This is a win-win situation for both parties. Thus, the remote working trend is here to stay in 2023. Analytics of labor pool. The world is driven by data now. Businesses are moving towards streamlining the massive amount of data to perform predictive analysis that can improve their results. The same applies to talent acquisition industry. With a massive workforce entering into the job market and a large number of job positions opening up, staffing companies rely on data management and analytics. And this is powered by leading-edge technological tools and solutions. The most effective hiring trend for 2023 would be developing and maintaining high-performing recruitment tools. To achieve the utmost quality of hire, recruiters must utilize the best talent acquisition software that has versatile and hyper-fast analytics functionality. Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies are shaping our future substantially. In the recruitment domain, AR and ML are utilized to simplify the screening process while maintaining a huge talent pool. Using AI and ML algorithms, powerful recruitment tools can be developed. Recruiters in 2023 will be able to accomplish their target hire in no time with the help of these technologies. Automated candidate screening and chatbot technology are going to take the talent acquisition industry to the next level. The most suitable candidate will be effortlessly identified and work productivity will gradually increase. So the adoption of AI and ML is going to be a popular hiring trend in 2023. Recruitment marketing. The recruitment sector has gone to be a highly competitive one. So that's the best way to rise above the competitors. It's meticulous marketing to gain the trust of organizations as well as the job seekers. Staffing companies must incorporate smart and effective marketing strategies. Marketing your talent acquisition triumphs in various print and web media is crucial. This hiring trend will gradually expand in 2023. Also, since social media is a significant part of everyone's lives, several recruiters are already considering it in a key source for recruiting IT talent. Flexible schedules and engagement. Well, the remote working setup is here to stay in 2023, so that also comes with the benefit of flexible work hours. If a company can achieve the same or even higher productivity with flexible schedules compared to conventional office work hours, who wouldn't want to opt for flexible schedules? Also, incorporating various engagement models like contract-based, full-time, part-time, and project-based is a recent trend in recruitment. This way, both job seekers and recruiters can achieve their goals. Thus, imparting flexibility in schedule and engagement will be critical hiring trend in 2023. Real-time projects. Did you know that some companies are experimenting with their recruitment strategy by conducting competitions and offering live projects? This way, you can identify the right talent who can perform well in their job role and increase the profitability of the organization. This is a cost-effective and time-saving strategy that is slowly evolving into hiring trends. In 2023, this trend is going to match the effectiveness of hiring. If you are a recruiter, make sure to add this strategy to your list and achieve highly skilled professionals for the job role. Consideration of employee well-being. The traditional employee organization equation has greatly changed. Organizations are adopting worker-friendly policies in their HR management system. As part of recruitment process, you need to consider the importance of employee mental well-being. Not just consider, but also ensure the job seekers that their work environment is highly congenial. So, this trend is effective and essential for 2023. Looking for the most valuable talent acquisition strategy that benefits you in 2023. Follow one or more of the above mentioned trends in your hiring process. Don't stop there. Consider the recruitment strategy to be consistent in working towards practicing it. Promote remote working, flexible work hours among female job seekers who joined after gap years, robust recruitment tool, and efficient talent acquisition software. Try orchestrating technical competition and real-time projects to have easy recruitment. Reach out to job seekers and employers more through marketing to promote your strategies. Finally, 2023 is going to increase the competition in the job market. Job seekers and organizations will desire only the best recruitment companies to achieve their goals. So adopt consistency and keep up with these hiring trends in 2023. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will allow the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.